Welcome to our comparison of two of the most popular hair clippers on the market, the Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Magic Clip and the Novah Professional Hair Clippers. Both of these clippers have garnered high ratings and are favored by professionals and home users alike. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, pros and cons, and customer feedback to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. The Wahl Magic Clip offers both corded and cordless options, providing flexibility for users who prefer the freedom of cordless operation or the reliability of a corded connection. In contrast, the Novah Clippers are exclusively cordless, which may appeal to those who prioritize mobility during haircuts. However, this means that the Wahl may be a better choice for extended use without worrying about battery life. When it comes to included accessories, the Wahl Magic Clip comes with basic attachments, while the Novah Clippers provide a comprehensive kit that includes multiple clipper guards, a trimmer, and various grooming tools. This makes the Novah set more appealing for users looking for a complete grooming solution right out of the box. In terms of weight, the Wahl Magic Clip is lighter at 0.789 kilograms, making it easier to handle for extended periods. On the other hand, the Novah Clippers weigh 1.021 kilograms, which some users might find slightly cumbersome during longer grooming sessions. This difference in weight could influence your choice depending on your comfort preferences. In conclusion, both the Wahl Professional 5-Star Series Magic Clip and the Novah Professional Hair Clippers have their strengths. The Wahl excels in versatility with its corded and cordless options, while the Novah offers a comprehensive kit for those seeking a complete grooming solution. Depending on your specific needs, either clipper could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and grooming